10/14/2020 to all of our traders around the world. Listen, I called the top in the S&P, and I did. And I said short-term top, and I have. And the thing about it is we tested it, and we are going to pull back, and we have support here in the short term, right around 33.95. Okay, so if we break 3404, then we're going to go a lot lower, and we would shake people out. 3283 is right here. Now, I will tell you this. Let's look at the daily together, my friends. Now, if you listen to me, you could see why I call the top. And I call them before they happen, not after the fact. No, 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 no. That doesn't make money. I said, no, no, no. It doesn't make money. You got to know beforehand. It's on the channel there. You're watching this video. Go watch the ones where I say it. Now, let's turn that into money together. Yeah, let me show you how much I care about you, because I do. And the thing about it is, do you care enough about yourself? Got to ask yourself that question. I've been doing it for 35 years, and I am not wrong. Now, I'm going to show you how to do things with the market that you don't have access to, and it will improve you 100%. And you can get rid of the old stuff that hasn't worked. Because if it worked, you wouldn't be watching this video. And the places you've gone down, they're crap. I know what they are. People tell me all the time. And they do. People that come here, they tell me, oh, gee, well, why can't those other people do this or do that? Why couldn't they make a trade? Why couldn't they show me they could make money? Well, hey, listen, I would love to be able to guide you through these markets and make sure you don't get killed. So we are going to go down. It's not going to happen all in one batch. The volatility is going to return. Earnings season is starting next week. And when we put the highs here on that daily right there, and it always starts with the reversal at resistance with the gap down, and then we only came right here, but we did break. So we're testing. We had these several little teeny gaps up to that blow off high, and it did that in August going into September. Now, let me just share something with you. There's a lot of money to be made in the S&P 500 puts on this index, and I did trade after trade after trade on them. And there's, when I say a lot of money, a lot of money. And so you just have to be given the order. And let me show you something. You see here, you see all of these big stocks. Do you see everything red? You see all of that? You see it? That's called the Red Sea of reversal. I called it. I'm short shop at the high. There's a lot of them. A lot of them made 52-week highs. We took them up. The live videos are there. We sold into it. This Melly right here, $1,300 puts in the money. There's nothing, and I'm just telling you up front, get it on. And the thing about it is that volatility has to shake out the bull. So when you shake out the bull, then you become what? Excellent buying opportunity. So I can say volatility does shake people out. And we're going into the earnings season. Everybody thinks it's going to be great. Some are going to do great. Some are going to do really great. And they're actually going to go down on the news. And that's what's going to happen in this quarterly earnings season next week and the week after. Oh, yeah. And people are going to be, well, why'd that happen? Well, it happens. Volatility, earnings season, blow off top reversal, gap, after gap after gap after gap to the high. Here's the monthly, and I talked about it, and I'm talking to my traders in this video, and you can see it. And I showed it. There it is. That is it right there. And that is what we call a wall of resistance. And it is. And we're going to go down. And no one's going to stop it. And I'm making a lot of money when it goes down, as I am right now. And on the up days, I'll go long and buy off of the bottom, while I still hold my other short with my put options. So we do trade off of the bottoms and then ring the cash register. Lots of things we do. Once again, my friends, we're coming down. It's not going to be straight down, but we are coming down over the next couple of weeks, and the volatility is here on the S&P. Choose to believe it, whether you don't want to believe it. You should believe it, because I already have all the proof. And we put that top up there. Now, we're going to make a bottom by the end of the month, by the end of October, and we will. And when we do, then we're going to rally up in November really nicely. But we have to shake the bull has to shake the buyers out over the next couple of weeks and create buying opportunities. So we're going to go down. We're going to have big volatility, and we're going to shake the buyers out, and we're going to make lots of money. Once again, it's a privilege to be able to let you know this. Now, take responsibility and get in the free 5-day trial.